we'd use mallets and chisels so you can, well, it's almost September, so you know what that means. Rhinoplasty season. That's right. It's about that time when people start thinking about rhinoplasty. What is the recovery from rhinoplasty? And in general, if you've seen some of our videos on here on our Instagram post, you'll see that really by 7 days when the splint comes off, we may get a little bit of bruising, a little swelling, but honestly people look pretty good very quickly. I always tell people you might be a little stuffy for about a month and a half to 2 months depending upon how much movement we're doing in the nose, but not too bad that way. One of the things that makes all the difference in the world on recovery is that, for many, many years, when we were moving bone, we'd use mallets and chisels. So you can imagine a hammer and a chisel, and I think still probably everyone else in Louisiana, that's what they do. I use something called an ultrasonic device, or a piezo. And that is a very small blade that vibrates at a frequency that allows us to wisp bone away very precisely, but it doesn't cut soft tissue. When it doesn't cut soft tissue, it means we don't have bruising, we don't get as much swelling, and that means your recovery is so much better. So it's rhinoplasty season coming up. If you can give us a week before you have to go back to anything fairly strenuous, we're doing great. Honestly, we've had probably about 7 ladies in our office that had a rhinoplasty on a Friday, and everyone came back to work on Monday. Splint for 7 days. Other than that, you're looking great.